Alright, so today I'm unboxing the Lancer Tactical 24 Gen 2 Airsoft M4. So let's get into it. So here we have the back of the box, a bunch of other stuff from Lancer Tactical, and here we have the inside of the box. So right here we've got the instruction manual with some extras inside of it. Right here has a target and some registration and stickers. And then we move on to the unjamming stick / cleaning stick for your airsoft rifle. Then you have the BBs that come with it, the official Lancer Tactical 20-gram 6mm BBs, and the magazine right here, all carefully wrapped in plastic. And then we move on to the main piece, the rifle itself. So this is carefully wrapped inside the plastic bag here. And here we pull it out, and it has got the 1-year warranty sticker attached to it and a little patch. Here is an up close of the patch. This is the Statue of Liberty with a rifle and pistol. But also here we have the main body of the rifle, and here I insert the magazine, and we've got it there. And the little flip out sights right here on the top, attached to the free float rail. Pretty nice. And the adjustable stock, which is also the battery compartment. With the purchase of the rifle, we also bought a extra magazine, which is a mid-cap magazine. Right here, we have a Titan battery for our rifle, and a Titan battery charger. Right there is the wall plug, and a speed loader to go with it. Here is the battery compartment in the stock. Fits right in there with the 3 batteries. And here we can see when you plug it in, it will display the numbers that indicate the charge. So when it starts out, it should have a starting charge, which is about 10 or 9 volts. Here it is 10.6 volts, and it'll slowly tell you each of the batteries' power. And that will take about 4 hours to charge. Here we have the 6mm BBs, and they go into this little slot for the BBs in the magazine, and these magazines you will wind to load them. Alright, 4 hours later, the battery's been charged. And since it's dark out, I'm attaching a flashlight that I've custom put onto a rail mount, and we can check it out. Now we can take it outside to fire it. Alright, so since the first firing day, I have added some upgrades, like a little grip here, and I've added some bands to the adjustable stock right here. And I have added a camouflage wrap around the barrel, and I have added a red dot sight to the front, just for some extra visuals, but I'll show you some firing.